Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this month's first Ramadan vlog. I am so excited to be doing this vlogmas, but then Ramadan version for you guys. Here I have baby Maya. Hi baby. Say Allahumma barik everyone. Yay! And right now I am just cooking up some potatoes because I want to make Maya a nice mash so at least she can eat for her afternoon snack slash food. And then after that we're gonna go to the doctor or to I don't know what it's called, but like here in the Netherlands, like babies have to go like every month or so. They go for like a checkup at the doctors and then they check like her growth and everything and how everything is going. So really excited, right baby? So she's gonna go for that and then I'm gonna come back, gonna do some groceries while I am there, and then I'm going to cook some soup for tonight. I think I'm going to be making some Thai food, Thai soup, because I gained so much weight during my pregnancy and I want to lose all of it, and I thought like perfect timing, Ramadan is coming and obviously all of us are going to eat less and eat out less. By the way, my house is a mess. Like I don't even want to show you guys because I'm in the middle of a move. We're going to move on the 28th or 25th, which is like in 7 days or something. So all really exciting times. So if you think I've gained weight, it's really because I just gave birth like 6 months ago now. It's not just, but it takes time to lose all the weight. I am mouth watering because right now like all those potatoes are cooking up for this little baby. How good does this look? These two potatoes are life right now, I swear. Arrived at the first location with the entire family.
Hi guys. Say hi.
We are here at the Bijenkorf bakery, and that is because we're gonna do something very exciting for Ramadan and Eid. It's gonna be really exciting, hopefully. Hi. Goeiedag. Look at the entire family dressed in their outfits. Hello. My look. Yay. We have arrived to Hornbach, aka Hornbach, for some flooring that we still need to check for the new apartment. I can't believe we're going to move. This is the one that I want, babe. Let's see if there's more flooring. This one also looks really nice over there. I'm so tired, guys. I cleaned the house and, well, I didn't clean, I just cleaned the kitchen basically.
I'm so tired, guys. I had to play FIFA.
Hello. So we're just looking for some flooring, and then hopefully we can find one today that we like. And then we just had a talk today with our like what's it called, interior designer, and she is going to, she like confirmed the plan, but we need flooring in order to like order all the final stuff. We picked the flooring for our apartment. It's gonna be this one, really nice. We're going for like fish grade. Visgraad. Do you like the floors? We have arrived to the appointment. Are you ready, big girl? Are you ready? It's Ramadan and these people have the nerve to put baklava there. Why? Why? Why you do this? Make me. Welcome to the back of the backseat squad, which is just me and Maya. I'm always sitting in the back seat because I'm one of those paranoid moms that needs to know if everything's going okay with the baby or not. If any moms out there do have any advice on how to gradually move to the front seat, please do let me know. Right, my bear? Are you okay, little girl? Alright, so we purchased our floors, which we need to pick up tomorrow. So yeah, we did that. Now we have 30 minutes left till Iftar, so I have to go home. I have to still cook really quickly, and then we can have food. Guys, we just got home like 10 minutes ago, and I have 2 minutes till Iftar, and I still need to make everything. So yeah, the soup is almost ready because what I did was just add some chicken to some water, or just fry up some chicken and then just put some cooking water. Then I put some curcuma in there, some ginger, and some of this Thai sauce, yellow curry sauce, like this. So I just add that inside, and I add some coconut milk, so it gets nice and creamy. Now I'm going to add all the vegetables. Ooh, got all steamy. And I'm just going to let that cook now. And then voila, that's just the soup. It's really easy to make. And on the side I'm cooking some water because I'm going to make some basmati rice with it. And then that's it. Guys, the food is ready. We already broke our fast. And this is how we're sitting because we do not have any furniture. So we're just going to put this here, which is a chair. People think our lives are very fancy, but we don't even have a sofa. Okay guys, so I'm going to wrap up this vlog. Jalil is gone to the mosque for Tarawih and for Isha and Tarawih. And I'm going to take a shower now, also pray my prayers like Tarawih and stuff, and then go to bed. Maya's already knocked out. So yeah, I hope this was a fun vlog. We didn't really get to vlog a lot because we were so busy, but from tomorrow I hope to take you with me on more things. And obviously we didn't vlog for so long, so it's really a beginning after a really long time. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till tomorrow, bye.